Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I want to make make a coding microbit in website microbit. Okay. Today today I want to make a remote control in microbit. Okay. As number one, your click microbit. You search microbit. Microsoft microbit dot microbit org. Okay. You click in here. Your new project you click er control remote 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 control. Okay, your click create and then your click create and then with the moment can you create a new project in here. Okay, new project and then your offense and then your click offense, your click extension, your click github your search github.com in here, link in here in this description later guys. Okay, description later. Okay, copy your copy and your paste in here, paste your click tiny bit. Okay, this is the coding, the new block new block in microbit. Okay, and then your click attention, your click microbit, your remove strip and your tambahkan tambahkan er control er no problem er. Okay, er aja nggak apa-apa. This is the new block tiny bit and next pixel, and then this is the click your tiny bit er v111. Okay, and then this is your click connect to your refit. This is the function in the remote control. Okay, it's the ph. Okay, on star connect in refer to the mulai connect kepada remote. Okay, and power your click up and then your click a tiny bit, and then wait your click a tiny bit and then your click a tiny bit in here, your click air drag control speed run and speed can I recommended 100, and then wait and then wait and then push ms 100. Okay, and then your click a basic, can your icon or text icon, up to you guys. Can a text can up to you, click your text my brother, or click your my sister, or click your my YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel. This is wait a moment, I love you Najwan TV. Okay, your post and then your duplicate in here, duplicate and then your done and control speed back. Okay, speed the remain. Okay, your duplicate first, your duplicate lagi again, your duplicate again. Okay, and then your on your click right, control speed to spin right kan. Okay, and your duplicate and then your click on right, and this is the left, left. Okay, and this is the spin left. Wait and then your duplicate first and then your duplicate again, wait duplicate again, duplicate again, and then wait your leave is the music. This is the music, and up to you if you music, if you in nambahkan musik, up to you guys, tambahkan musik. Okay, beep Oke, kita tambahkan musik ringtone. Oke, musik. Reset ms one for 1 bit. Set volume. Can up to you. I recommend it. Yes. Okay. And then you click a tiny bit first. Your drag in power. Your drag in di sini ya. Sekarang kalian you click wait spin right. No no no. Wait a moment. You click like this is the lamp. This is the lamp. You click tiny bit. You click wait RGB RGB. Wait wait a moment. Wait a moment. RGB RGB in the color. This is color. Can up to you. Color red, white, and zero. No no. So number like can up to you. Okay, up to you. So RGB white and RGB. So can up to you guys. Wait a moment. Unlike this is the RGB color white. This is the like, and then you click 1723122, and your duplicate is the color. How many color? Many color. I can up to you guys. Can up to you. And then three. This is the 354. Four is the color is a green. Okay, this is the finished coding block. Okay, this is the icon. If you home icon, can up to you. This is okay. This is the finish. This is the finish. The a block coding a block microbit AR remote control. Okay. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. That I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you the next video, guys. Okay, this is the finish, guys. Finish you.